We're gonna go down Royal Lane through Las Colinas, through Dallas, Northwest Dallas. Maybe we might get there in 15 hours if we stay behind there. Let's go. Catch the light. Freestyle a little bit. Psych. Let's go. Just gonna keep going. Right now, this is Las Colinas. It's a long street. It goes all the way down to northeast, or maybe almost by, I think almost by Garland. Maybe even further than that. I gotta check. But it goes pretty far down. Woo! I don't like going down here because it's usually pretty open. Not many cars on it. Maybe I might catch a race or two on Harry Hines. I can't rap, but I can try. It's like, yo. Limit 40, I'm going 52. Should I chill out? Nah. We're going through this red light. Psych. Yeah, this is a nice area though. It's a nice cool area. There's a lake out here. Lago de Clare is pretty nice. I guess Clare Lake in Spanish. Lake of Clare. Lake. Check. Check. I can't rap. I can't rap.
work from home. So bundling
it's royalty-free music,
and
so
TV's been super important for our family.
that should be good. That should be good. No copyright. Driving and cruising. You driving and chilling. Yo. Let's keep the driving PG-13, right? It's not gonna pass the speed limit, right? It's like, late, I'd go through this red light. Sometimes we break the laws, man. Check. Yo. I was about to spit something, man. Let's ride. The business is open later. It's called Korean barbecue. So yeah, we're almost at Harry Hines. So if you like this little ride with me, just like, comment, subscribe, and then join me on more rides, more tours. Some videos I have them more up close, and then others I have the passengers. Let's get it. Passenger side perspective. I get the driver's side perspective as well. gas?